Jai Srimannarayana, 12th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Shreyo hi jnanamabhyasat jnanat dhyanam visishyate dhyanat कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिः अनन्तरम् ॐ Renunciation of fruits of actions is the best way to attain peace of mind. That is why perform all your activities without desiring rewards. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, you do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that the best way to attain peace of mind is only by renunciating fruits of actions. I shall perform all my activities without desiring for the rewards. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupētamapēta krutyam dvaipāyano virahakātara ājuhāva putrēti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhūta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 219th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma, seeing so many Vishnumurtis in Vrindavanam, all the boys and baby cows are looking like Vishnumurti. Such Sarvesvara's effulgence Chaturmukha Brahma was unable to see. That means the ability of his eyes are not enough to see such great amount of glow that is coming out of so many Vishnumurtis. Ye Paramesu Tejamuna ఈ సచరాచరమైన లోకములు దీపితమయ్యే. Sri Mahavishnu is the one who brought all these worlds, and now we are able to see the light in these worlds because of only Sri Mahavishnu. Now, because of Sri Mahavishnu's Tejas, this entire universe is glowing. From that glow, a small spark is there now in Vrindavanam. Even to that small spark of Mahavishnu's Tejas, Chaturmukha Brahma, Kannula Chakkaga Chudaga Nopan, he is unable to see to the full extent. And the moment Brahma has seen so many Vishnu Murtis, he got totally paused. Ati kutuka udvrutya stimita ekadasendriyaha. At once, all of his organs stopped working. To that extent, great amount of surprise and shock he is in now. And he paused and stayed just like a toy. Parameshti mai marachenappudu Chitrarupu Kaivadin. Brahma became just like one toy, and he is unable to speak a word. Nothing is coming out of his mouth. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 12th sloka. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat. Jnanadhyanam visishyate. Dhyanat karma phalatyagam. Tyagat shantiranantaram. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat. Jnanadhyanam visishyate. Dhyanat karma phalatyagam. Tyagat shantiranantaram. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.